Hello everybody, how you guys been doing? And welcome back to our channel, Tech World, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can fix your Instagram not letting you change your profile picture. So if you're facing this problem and basically you try to upload a picture on your Instagram then it just doesn't upload. Well, you guys are at the right video, because by the end of this video, your problem will be fixed. And I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel Tech World for future videos like this, and let's move on with the video. First step, you want to check if your internet connection is stable, not because sometimes due to slow internet connection or Instagram would be working properly, so your profile picture is not going to be uploaded. Alright, so if your internet connection is fast, and what you can do is commonly profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once on your profile at the top over here, you can see Edit Profile. Click on Edit Profile. And over here you are going to give a Change Profile Photo, click on it. And what you want to do is click on versus Take Photo or choose from Library. Take Photo allows you to take a photo from a cameras, and Choose from Library allows you to choose a photo from your gallery. So I'm going to click Choose from Library. And I'm just going to choose this random photo over here of a Snapchat screenshot. And I click on Done. You can also zoom in and zoom out, whichever you like. Alright, and click on Done after you do that. And basically it should be changed, and click on Done at the top again and wait for some time. It might take a bit of time, and a profile picture should be changed. But even if it has not changed after doing this, what you can do is after doing that, try to load your Instagram couple of times. If you just saw my profile picture, my previous profile picture appeared for a second but it was gone again. So this is a problem, it might happen. So try loading for it, try to wait for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes it should be fixed. But if it's still not fixed, what you can do is just go on your setting off your phone and go on over here where it says General, and in General go on iPhone Storage. And for Android user, you don't have this feature. So what you need to do is delete your Instagram, reinstall it, and even for iPhone user, if the step I'm doing right now doesn't work for you, you need to also delete your Instagram and reinstall it again. But try this for iPhone user first. Right, go on Instagram over here. Click on Offload App, click on Offload App. After you offload your app just like this, you need to click on the option called Reinstall App. There's going to be a Reinstall App button. Click on it and your Instagram will start to reinstall. After Instagram reinstall, it should work. If it still doesn't work, you need to make sure if Instagram servers are not offline, so Instagram servers from time to time goes under maintenance break. So if you're trying to change your Instagram profile picture at a time when Instagram is down, it's not going to work alright. So if that's the case, you need to wait for some time and to check if Instagram is down or not. You can just go to your you can basically go to Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, and ask people like, is Instagram down? Or you can simply just ask your friend by calling them, telling them like, hey, is your Instagram working properly? If their Instagram is also not working properly, then it's basically down, and in that case you need to wait for some time until they are up again. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how we guys can fix your Instagram not letting you change your profile picture. And the other thing is just make sure your Instagram is up to date. Alright, sometimes your Instagram not being up to date is also the problem. So hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Bye bye.